Typically, you don't want the ground in California to start shaking. But in this case, it's being done on purpose.
Basically, we're doing a seismic survey.
This shake test is the latest step in the California High-Speed Rail Authority's geotechnical investigations in the San Jose to Merced project section. Fugro, a subcontractor to geotechnical consultant Kleinfelder Incorporated, is using an EnviroVibe to replicate the shaking a high-speed rail train could create as it passes through this area.
To measure the velocity of the surface wave through the ground. And that's important because it is used in the engineering of the track design and other factors.
During this test, the seismic waves are picked up on a 57-meter-long array of devices called Geophones.
As this vibrates up and down, it creates a small electric current in here that's fed in down the cable into the recording truck at the other end. Each one of these squiggles is data coming in from an individual geophone.
Experts will use those reads to look for the potential for a phenomenon known as Rayleigh Waves.
The train pushes in a wave in front of us, and the soil is not strong enough to resist that wave, and so you start getting a motion in your embankment because the supporting soil isn't strong enough.
Rayleigh waves have been seen in high-speed rail systems in the UK and Sweden after the tracks were already in operation. The authority wants to avoid this issue before trains begin running.
If we do find out with this testing that we can introduce Rayleigh waves into the soil, then that would be an area that we potentially would need to mitigate.
That mitigation could include excavating the dirt and using embankments that go deeper into the ground. The results of these investigations will help inform the environmental analysis that is currently underway to help determine the best possible alignment for the high-speed trains and for future procurements and engineering.
It's kind of a new area, and people are trying to get their arms around it, but it's very important for high-speed trains.